Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving on I-29 headed north, beginning at mile 114 in Monona County, Iowa. Here we're at an elevation of 1,054 feet or 321 meters above sea level. We've encountered a brief rain shower, but we'll be driving out of that in just a minute. Exit 120 provides access to the city of Whiting, about a mile to the east of I-29. The city was named for Charles E. Whiting, a local farmer, and coined the best-kept secret in the Midwest by 19th century industrialist Swen Mayberry. As of 2019, Whiting had an estimated population of 723. We're now in the Sioux City, Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota Metropolitan Statistical Area. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Woodbury County, named for 19th century Senator, New Hampshire Governor, and Supreme Court Justice Levi Woodbury. Woodbury County had an estimated population of 102,539 as of 2018. Exit 127 leads to the city of Sloan, which had an estimated population of 987 as of 2019. Sloan was platted in 1870 by the president of the Sioux City and Pacific Railway and was named for Samuel Sloan, a railroad official. The Winnebago tribe of Nebraska has the Winnevegas Casino near Sloan. We enter the city limits of Salix, named for a group of willow trees near the original town site. Salix is the name of the genus of the willow tree. Salix had an estimated population of 387 as of 2019. Exit 135 is labeled Port Neal Landing, referring to an industrial complex along the Missouri River to the west. In December of 1994, an explosion occurred at the fertilizer plant owned by Terra International Incorporated Port Neal Complex. 4 workers perished in the explosion and 18 others were injured. The 7-story building at the seat of the blast was completely destroyed, leaving only a crater, and significant damage was inflicted on the surrounding structures. 4 nearby electricity generating stations were disabled by the explosion, and the effects of the blast were felt up to 30 miles away. A high voltage line running adjacent to the plant and over the Missouri River was damaged, disrupting power in the neighboring state of Nebraska. 2 15,000-ton refrigerated ammonia storage tanks were ruptured, releasing liquid ammonia and ammonia vapors, which forced the evacuation of 1,700 residents from the surrounding area. I wanted to point out the number of rest areas in Iowa. If you haven't noticed, we've passed 2 or 3 rest areas in every video along this stretch. I've never seen such a high frequency of rest areas anywhere else. We enter the city limits of Sergeant Bluff, and we conclude our video here at mile marker 140. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.